Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru. Again, hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to turn on or enable comments on your YouTube contents or your YouTube channel. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to enable comments on your YouTube channel, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in youtube.com like this and hit enter. And on this page you can see it's the YouTube, and on the top right corner of your screen this is my account on which I'm going to turn on or enable my comments. Similarly, you'll be required to log into the Gmail account of which you want. Similarly, you'll be required to log into the Gmail account with which you authenticated or opened your YouTube account and on which you want to turn on your comments. After logging into your account on YouTube like this, open another tab and on the search bar type in studio.youtube.com like this and hit enter. And you can see you will be able to open the studio interface of the YouTube from where you can customize all of your contents. And on this interface you can see the settings icon on the bottom left corner of your screen where I'm hovering right now. Click on settings, and over here you can see the general to agreements option available. Over here click on channel, which is the second one, and over here there is the advanced settings. Click on advanced settings and you can see there are three options. One which says yes, set this channel as made for kids. 2, no, set this channel as not made for kids. And I want to review the settings for every video. And if you click on no, set this channel as not made for kids, then your comments will be enabled or turned on. And if you click on yes, set this channel as made for kids, then your comments will be disabled on your channel. So let's click on no. And since we have not changed any settings, the previous settings was also on no, set this channel as not made for kids, there is no blue highlight enabled on the save button. But in your case, the blue highlight will be enabled for the save button. Click on save and your comments on every one of your posts will be enabled. And if you want to do it for personal or one of the contents only or the solo contents, click on content on the left side of your screen just below the dashboard. And on this interface you can see all of your contents over here. Now to enable your contents for a particular content from over here, choose the content on which you want to enable the comment and click on the edit or the pen icon available just beside the analytics icon on the video. Click over there, and on this page you can see there are the descriptions and titles where we can edit it. Scroll a little down on this page and you can see there is the age restriction option available over here just below the audience, and there is the yes, it's made for kids, and no, it's not made for kids. Choose the no, it's not made for kids in order to enable or turn on your comments on your YouTube channel on your contents. And guys, this is how you enable or turn on your comments on your YouTube. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.